Okay, so I went grocery shopping and got some last minute stuff for our camping trip. I have a lot of stuff in here. I'm gonna filter through these things. I'm gonna try to make some meals that's easy to sustain in the weather and also in the cooler. I'm gonna marinate some vegetables and be able to put those on the grill. So this is my collection of everything. I'm gonna bring a bottle of water, some fruit. These are here actually really cool. So like while I'm waiting on my stuff to get grilled, I don't have to wait forever. These are already pre-made and we'll snack on these. But yeah, I got so much stuff to clean up and so much stuff to do. And it's 8 o'clock at night. So we'll see how all this turns out. But I feel like it's gonna be a long night. And I have laundry to do, but the laundry that I have is not for the trip. So that'll be waiting for me when I get back. So I'm going to start prepping our dinner and snacks prior to us leaving. This has been in my refrigerator for a while. Don't want it to go to waste. So I'm just gonna slice this and keep the outside of the acorn squash on there and then slice it and marinate it in some seasonings. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm probably gonna do this more like in cauliflower steak shape, and then not saute this, but season it and wrap it up in aluminum foil so it's ready to just go on the grill. I'm gonna make some chickpea salad. I'm gonna do that probably tomorrow. I'm using vegan mayonnaise, so it could actually stay on a little bit longer, I believe. Let's see here. It is, yeah, it can stay out longer because it's dairy-free and egg-free. So I'm gonna use this, probably do this tomorrow and put it in some type of container that's gonna last. I got some Beyond Meat patties, a burger, and then also some sausage. I just got this turkey stuff just for someone else. But if Ava doesn't eat my food, sometimes she gets picky. I always like to have something else, but it's not the best thing, but I'm sure the people be eating hot dogs, so she'll probably want one too. So I tried to get the healthiest version. Got some drink. I'm gonna do the same thing to my mushrooms, season it and add it to aluminum foil. Then I'm also probably gonna do that to some carrots too. So we'll see what we turn out to have. I have some salad that I'm gonna bring as well. And yeah, that's about it. Oh, and some asparagus. So I should be able to eat fairly good while I'm camping. So I'm gonna cut the acorn squash and put some seasonings in here. What I used for the acorn squash was this turmeric, parsley, onion, and garlic, saffron, some garlic salt, and I think I used some pepper as well with that. For the cauliflower, I used olive oil. I'm gonna add some lemon pepper, probably some garlic salt, and I'm gonna figure out what else I'm gonna put on here just to add a little zest to it. I have my potatoes. I'm gonna start. I'm gonna cut them up maybe like slices as well, and see how they turn out, and just allow them to marinate overnight. I like to save samples just to use them for, cases like this. And I usually take these samples with us when we travel. So it gives us a chance to try new stuff, but all of them are natural products and I just use it when needed. This is shower gel. So I have essential oils in here.
Now we have to bring this one.
And skincare and hair care. I rolled up all of her clothes in a suitcase. I'm trying not to pack too much. We don't leave for a weekend, so I decided to bring, this is probably overpacking, but hopefully not, a pair of sweatpants, 2 short and top matching outfits, I think 3 pair of leggings. So She might need some for tomorrow night, Friday night. She'll possibly need some for the following night, and then Sunday, possibly. So, some pajamas, underwear, socks, hand sanitizer, of course.
And that thing on the top is the trunk.
The trunk is in the back of the car. So, are you excited to go on a camping trip?
Yes!
What are you excited
But
to
it's
do?
pretty far.
It is.
But it's that far, but it's close to one.
Mm-hmm. What are you excited to do most?
I'm excited.
Sit up, baby.
I'm excited to sleep in my bag of frozen.
Your frozen sleeping bag?
Yeah.
And what
my
about sleeping outside in a tent?
frozen. That's cool.
What about...
But it don't have no bathroom
No.
or shower.
No.
What do I have there?
We're going to have to go to the community bathroom and shower. I know. Seems interesting.
And then we have to come back.
Mm-hmm. It's supposed to rain, so we might have some wet days.
It's okay. It's okay. We'll be in our tents.
That's true. That is true. I bought some stuff for you to do if we're in our tents, but...
Oh, yeah. Look, because Doc and baby Moana.
Yeah.
Did you bring her?
I did. You're so silly. Can you sit up, baby? You're so silly. I love ya.
Me and my mommy.
Me and your mom, baby.
See you later, guys.
While we are still trying to get our tent together, we have to go. The day we have Beyond Meat, sausage, acorn squash, some cauliflower.
Salad and beans.
Chickpea salad? And were you doing the tent?
Yes.
You putting it up? Cool. Awesome. Looking over here like this is my life.
You want to go back over, Ava?
Burning this marshmallow.
You want to roast my marshmallow?
Ava, you gotta rotate it so it can get even on both sides. He can't eat that anyway.
Chocolate?
Walking with it on the cane. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Well,
He had the
it was just on the
marshmallow
ground.
No.
Like,
She said no.
like them.
Now it's
See, what you do? Oh, take it by your mom, and she'll show you how.
Mama. It's
another
gonna get
cracker.
too hot.
You have to rotate it. You have to keep it in and you turn it.
Mom, look.
Yeah.
Don't drag your marshmallow.
Try to. Do you like it burnt? You want it more brown than that or no?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, go ahead.
Mommy, I need help.
Go ahead. Come on, Ava. Go ahead, baby.
Come on, Ash.
Bro, hold it up.
There you go.
Yeah, you kind of toasty, girl.
Yeah, I'm just getting video.
Okay, bring it back just a little bit.
Come here. And this is for the fire. Oh, you don't get his thick.
Okay, Ava.
Nice and toasty.
You gotta rotate it, Chooch. Rotate it so it won't get all brown. Turn it around. Turn it around, babe. There you go.
In the fire pit.
Nice.
Okay.
Here it is.
Oh,
Go
so
right-
you got a s'more.
Ava, you're burning, baby. You're burning. Shake it.
Wait, what is this one?
Blow it out.
I thought you were making s'mores.
What a chocolate.
I just grabbed the.
Oh, Axel.
Oh, let me get the chocolate. Let me.
Oh, y'all burning.
Okay, I'm trying to camera.
Okay, don't put it down there, big guy. You don't want ash on your.
It's hot, Chooch.
It's really smory.
S'more.
Girl, right there.
Here, this is for somebody.
What's your name?
Go get a s'more. Ask her.
Axel, here. Here.
Whoa, I got a s'more.
Axel, here.
What do you think about this camping trip so far?
It's good.
It's good.
Mom, when I put it on the phone, it's purple.
It is purple. I think it's purple. Or actually, it's pink. I don't know. So what'd you do today?
No.
I don't know what I did.
We put up the tent.
We put up.
I cooked veggies.
We cooked veggies.
Played with your cousin.
You played with my cousin.
You roasted marshmallows.
Roasted marshmallows.
Made s'mores.
Make more.
Played with glow in the dark ball.
Or the
It's called homeboy. Homeboy fishing.
I get one.
Oh well, this might work. We'll watch you guys fish. We're on an adventure walk through the woods.
On a adventure walk through the woods.
No. Let me see if I see any fish. Oh, it's a little minnow or something.
Careful, yeah.
Don't get too close, okay?
Is it big?
Uh-oh.
No, little.
Ashton, come here and get your nose wet.
Okay.
Good job, girl. Go, go. Oh, you're doing a good job. Watch out, watch out. Don't run into each other. Don't run into each other. Go, Ava. Good job. You're flying it. Keep going, keep going. That's real high. Uh-oh. Keep going, keep going. Run, run, run. Go, 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 go. Raise your arm up. Raise your arm up. Raise your arm up. There you go. You're doing a good job. You're doing a good job.
Yeah, I'm so excited. It's okay.
Whoa, Exy! Go, X-Man! Go, buddy! Go, buddy! Whoa! Woo! Look at that kite flyer! Go ahead, X!
Mom, can I pick it up?
I don't know, might jump away. You can try. Oh, good eyes, Mom.